Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Percy. Oh my god, I'm so fucking happy I got my tissues back! Bro, we're live. Shut the frick up. Oh, we're live? Oh. Hello everyone, my name is Seth Percy. It's been damn near 5 fucking years and I still don't get an applause? Alright, if you applaud for this guy, I swear to God, I'm better than you. Man, what the fuck? This is my cooking show. It's called Percy. I'm not fucking homosexual's kitchen. Look, just because I'm a it doesn't mean you get to call me that. That's fucked up. Man, no, fucking cut to commercial. We're gonna like deal with this behind the scenes. Yeah, fuck you. No, fuck you.
Hey guys, welcome to Toby's Hardware Yard. Don't ask why I have a whole yard full of hardware supplies. Don't ask. Don't ask. Help me. Alright then, let's start. We got paint over here. We got some, I think, ballast. I don't know what this crap is. I'm gonna say it's ballast. We have some wood. Well, it looks like a nice. Crap, I'll fix that. And we have some crates full of stuff. I don't know what stuff. But hey, we got crates. Oh, here we got some nice bricks. I hate red though, so yeah. I love this item, the mystery box. No one knows what's gonna be inside. You're stalking you, Mr. Toby. Alrighty then. Okay, don't worry about that. And then if you need spare engine parts, that's nothing. That's nothing. You can have all this crap for a low price of 179 Canadian dollars. Wait, we live in the UK. Come down to Toby's Hardware Yard today. Please, I need the money.
Fuck you, I'm never doing this shit ever again, man. You get on the fucking show and see if I get, man. Fuck you, just go faggot kitchen now. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Thomas's Kitchen.